I firmly believe talents alone, or for that matter, skills alone, cannot make you very successful in your life. For example, you may have talent as a comedian, but in order to turn that talent into skill, you need to work at it consistently. That is what we call grit. When you work on your routine, for example, trying out jokes, practicing in front of a mirror, you get better, which leads to success. Comedians like Kapil Sharma, Abish Mathew, and Raju Srivastava don't just have talents. They continually use their talent to practice and refine their skills. Let us hear what some teens have to say about what grit means to them and why it is important. For example, Nia, a high school senior from Denver, says, in gym class, we start off each class with a core work like planks and crunches. The rest of the class would complain and not participate. But I adopted an attitude that I loved core exercises and was able to improve that way. I think what made me so creative and able to stick with the class was that I knew doing those exercises would eventually lead to having a fit, toned, healthy body. Lindsay, a college freshman from Dallas, says, when I was in high school, I got sick and missed a lot of school. I felt like I did not know what was going on with my friends, and I fell behind in my classes. When I got better, I really wanted to switch schools, but I felt like I showed grit because I did go back to my old school, and although some of my friendship had changed, I found out who my true friends were. Now I am in college and I know that whatever obstacle I might face, I will be able to bounce back. These are the opinions of students like you.
How do you develop more grit? If you haven't heard lately, grit is supposed to be the secret to all of success in life. We'll talk about that in a moment, but it's a good conversation to have today about how do you develop the ability to have grit so you succeed over the long term. If you haven't heard, Angela Duckworth wrote a book called Grit, and her formula was very simple. If you have lots of passion and you persevere chasing that passion over a long time, you will have success.